It happened on the beach at Bali Bali. I found him dreaming on the golden sands. It happened on the beach at Bali Bali. It wasn't long till we were holding hands. While we strolled along the beach together, we kissed and then he promised to be mine. You could have knocked me over with a feather when he told me that he came from Caroline. The day I sailed across the ocean to find romance across the sea, I never had the slightest notion I'd meet the boy who used to live next door to me. Now we own a cottage in the valley, a little something that is his and mine. It happened on the beach at Bali Bali and ended up way down in Caroline. Across the ocean to find romance across the sea, I never had the slightest notion I'd meet the boy who used to live next door to me. Now we own a cottage in the valley, a little something that is his and mine. It happened on the beach at Bali Bali and ended up way down in Caroline.